the ultimate guide to making money online, strategies, tips, and ideas. Introduction. The internet has changed the way we work, learn, communicate, and even make money. Nowadays, it is possible to earn a full-time income or even a passive income from the comfort of your own home, using nothing but your laptop and an internet connection. In this guide, we will explore some of the most popular and effective ways to make money online, including freelance work, selling products, affiliate marketing, and more. Section 1. Freelance work. 1.1. What is freelance work? 1.2. Popular freelance platforms. 1.3. Tips for getting started as a freelancer. 1.4. Pricing your services. 1.5. How to find freelance work. Section 2. Selling products online. 2.1. What is e-commerce? 2.2. Popular e-commerce platforms. 2.3. Choosing a product to sell. 2.4. Creating an online store. 2.5. Marketing and promoting your store. Section 3. Affiliate marketing. 3.1. What is affiliate marketing? 3.2. How does affiliate marketing work? 3.3. Choosing an affiliate program. 3.4. Creating content for affiliate marketing. 3.5. Tips for successful affiliate marketing. Section 4. Online surveys, testing and user feedback. 4.1. What are online surveys, testing, and user feedback? 4.2. Popular platforms for online. He is an entrepreneur who travels frequently. He faces a lot of challenges as an entrepreneur. But travel shouldn't be one of them. We're here to make sure of that. Smile. Meet AirXL, your hassle-free air travel partner. What do we offer? Ticket bookings, customized in-plane food experiences, personal itinerary consultation, airport transfers to and from all international airports, curating the best air experience for you. Handle everything from AirXL app. Here's what our users say about us. You guys are the best. I can't imagine my life without you. Natasha, CEO, Fashionista Incorporated. Timely service and great support, Neil, marketer, Spectre and Partners. I am booking my next flight with AirXL, Robertson, account head, Nielsen & Co. So, what are you waiting for? Join the AirXL family. And, forget your travel worries. Download the app now.